This is the third video of the section, Performing Students' T-Tests. In the previous video, we looked at performing Z-tests. In this video, we'll discuss how to conduct a one-sample t-test and two-sample t-test using R. In a z-test, we can determine whether two mean values are significantly different if the standard deviation, or variance, is known. However, if the standard deviation is unknown and the sample size is fairly small, less than 30, we can perform a student's t-test instead. A one-sample t-test allows us to test whether two means are significantly different. A two-sample t-test allows us to test whether the means of two independent groups are different. First, we visualize a sample weight vector in a box plot. Here you can see the box plot. Now we introduce a line in red color, which you can see on running the code. We then perform a statistical procedure to validate whether the average weight of the sample is above 70. It is seen that true mean is not equal to 70. Mean is 79.3895. Next, we visualize two weight samples in one box plot. Here you can see there are two weight samples in one box plot. Let's add lines at the means. As you can see, blue line is at a mean of weight 1 and red line is at a mean of weight 2. We then perform a two-sample t-test to determine whether the means of the two samples are the same. When you run this code, you can see this output. Means of x and y are given as 79.3895 and 70.2020 respectively. To read more about the usage of students' t-test, you can use the help function to view related documents. You can write a question mark in front of any function you need information about. Here I am trying that with t-test and I get the required information. In this video, we learned how to perform students' t-tests. In the next video, we'll conduct exact binomial tests.